case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a pivotal 2009 case, Baxter v. State, heard by the Montana Supreme Court, the legal privileges of terminally ill patients and their corresponding physicians were brought into focus. At the crux of the lawsuit was the constitutionally protected right of choice by patients in their end-of-life care, which included the contentious option of physician aid in dying. The case stemmed from Robert Baxter, a retired truck driver suffering from lymphocytic leukemia, who sought assistance from his physician to end his life by ingesting a lethal dose of a prescribed medication. Baxter, along with 4 supporting physicians and Compassionate Choices, argued that mentally competent but terminally ill patients hold a constitutional right, rooted in Article 2, Sections 4 and 10 of the Montana Constitution, to die with dignity. Upon reviewing this case, the Montana Supreme Court ruled that physicians may assist terminally ill patients in their desire to end their lives, provided the patient expressly consents and no exemptions to this consent are applicable. These conditions reflect the protective provisions under existing Montana law. Despite the outcome favoring the plaintiff's argument, the court denied awarding attorney fees to Baxter. The court confirmed a partial summary judgment for the plaintiffs but on differing grounds, overturning portions of a prior decision. The court's first order of business was to determine whether physician aid in dying was acceptable under Montana law, ruling it indeed was, as it could potentially shield physicians from charges of homicide if the patient had clearly given their consent. Nevertheless, the court made clear that Baxter would not be entitled to claim attorney fees. The Baxter v. State case reaffirms the legal autonomy of terminally ill patients in their end-of-life decisions and outlines the responsibilities and legal protections for doctors willing to assist in these harrowing choices. It recognized the intersection of the personal, the medical, and the legal in such weighty decisions, addressing the complexity of the issue with nuance and consideration.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.